Ever wondered why some people can light up a room just by walking in? Imagine having that power. It's called charisma, and today I'm going to show you how to harness it. I am Dr. Insight, and today we're diving into the secrets of charisma. What makes certain people irresistibly magnetic and influential? Is it an innate gift, or can anyone develop it? Stay with us as we explore how you can cultivate charisma and transform your interactions. But first, let's define charisma. Charisma is a presence that excites and inspires us. Charismatic people have that special something others wish they had. We look up to them, follow them, and sometimes even idolize them. This admiration gives charismatic individuals strong social power. Now that we've defined what charisma is, let's explore how you can cultivate it with these 9 essential steps. Number 1, get a life purpose. Have something you believe in. Whether it's a goal, a vision, or a change you want to see in the world, having a clear purpose makes you magnetic. People are drawn to those who know where they're going and why. Number 2, show uncompromising saintliness. Live by your values. Most people just talk about their values. Truly charismatic individuals live by them. When you walk the talk, people respect and look up to you. Number 3, be eloquent. Use the power of words effectively. Charismatic leaders use the power of words to inspire, incite, and persuade. Eloquence helps you convey your message compellingly. Number 4, speak with passion. Eloquence alone isn't enough. It's powerful, but it's just words without passion. Combine your eloquence with genuine enthusiasm and direction to truly captivate your audience. Number 5, speak with conviction. Alongside passion, you need conviction. Charismatic people exude confidence and certainty. Even when they're wrong, their conviction can be persuasive. This blend of passion and certainty is incredibly compelling. Number 6, display body language. Sometimes strength is necessary. Strength and resolve are admired traits. In moments of crisis, people look up to those who can take charge and show strength. Number 7, display fearlessness. Going beyond just showing strength, display fearlessness. Charismatic individuals often demonstrate fearlessness in the face of danger. This boldness is inspiring and draws people in. Number 8, be disinhibited. Authenticity also plays a crucial role. Charismatic individuals are authentic and bold. They are not afraid to be themselves and take risks, which makes them extremely attractive. Number 9, play vulnerability well. Lastly, show your human side. Showing your human side can make you more relatable. Admitting your vulnerabilities can build trust and deepen connections. Now that we've outlined the key steps, let's break it down further with some practical examples and exercises you can start using today to build your charisma. Practicing presence. For instance, when someone is speaking to you, give them your full attention. This means making eye contact, nodding, and responding thoughtfully. Practice mindfulness meditation for 5 minutes daily to enhance your ability to stay present. Storytelling. Share personal stories that highlight your values or experiences. People are drawn to narratives that reveal character and authenticity. Prepare a few go-to stories that reflect your passions or key life lessons and practice telling them in an engaging way. Mirror technique. Use the mirror technique. Watch videos of charismatic speakers like Steve Jobs or Oprah Winfrey. Observe their body language and speech patterns. Stand in front of a mirror and mimic their gestures and tone. This helps internalize charismatic behaviors. To truly grasp the essence of charisma, let's reflect on some profound quotes and practical examples. Robert Brault once said, "Charisma is not so much getting people to like you as getting people to like themselves when you're around." Think about making your friends feel valued and appreciated. Positive reinforcement boosts their self-esteem and makes them eager to be around you. Steve Jobs famously stated, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." Imagine loving your hobbies or school projects so much that your passion draws in others who appreciate your enthusiasm. Napoleon Bonaparte believed, "A leader is a dealer in hope." During challenging times, a hopeful outlook can reassure and motivate your friends or peers. Quentin Crisp noted, "Charisma is the ability to influence without logic." Engaging stories can captivate your audience and influence them, even without concrete evidence. Ferdinand Foch described, "The most powerful weapon on earth is the human soul on fire." A passionate speech about a cause can ignite a powerful response and support from the crowd. John Maxwell emphasized, "People buy into the leader before they buy into the vision. Building strong relationships with your peers makes them believe in your vision, leading to a dedicated group of friends or followers. To further understand how these traits manifest, let's look at some real-life charismatic figures and their defining traits. Consider Oprah Winfrey. Her authenticity and empathy have made her one of the most beloved public figures. She shares her personal struggles openly, which builds trust and relatability. Think about Nelson Mandela. His resilience and vision inspired millions. Despite years of imprisonment, his unwavering commitment to his cause made him a global icon of leadership. Look at Elon Musk. His innovation and boldness make him a magnetic figure in the tech industry. His passion and drive are infectious, attracting followers and investors alike. Transitioning from quotes, let's dig a bit into the science of charisma. Researchers have studied the traits and behaviors that make people charismatic. And here's what they found: non-verbal communication. Non-verbal cues account for a significant portion of how we communicate. Studies show that body language, eye contact, and facial expressions play a crucial role in perceived charisma. Practice open body language, maintain good eye contact, and use facial expressions that convey enthusiasm and interest. Emotional intelligence. Charismatic individuals often score high on emotional intelligence. They can read and respond to others' emotions effectively. Develop your emotional intelligence by becoming more aware of your own emotions and practicing empathy with others. Vocal tone. The way you speak can significantly impact how others perceive you. A study from the University of Melbourne found that varying your vocal pitch can make you more engaging. Practice modulating your voice to be more expressive. Record yourself speaking and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Now, let's discuss how social skills enhance your charismatic presence. While you don't need to be the most outgoing person in the room to be charismatic, having strong social skills certainly helps. Being able to read social cues, engage in meaningful conversations, and connect with others on a deeper level can significantly boost your charisma. Here are some essential elements that will help you build your charisma. Active listening. Active listening is a key social skill that enhances charisma. When you truly listen to someone, it shows that you value their thoughts and opinions. This builds rapport and makes people feel understood and appreciated. Practice active listening by summarizing what the other person has said and asking follow-up questions to show your interest. Empathy. Empathy allows you to connect with others on an emotional level. By understanding and sharing the feelings of another person, you create a bond that fosters trust and loyalty. Try to put yourself in others' shoes and respond to their emotions genuinely. Humor. Humor is a powerful tool in social interactions. It can lighten the mood, make you more approachable, and create a positive atmosphere. Use humor appropriately to break the ice and build a connection with others. Remember, it's not about being a comedian, but about finding common ground and sharing a laugh. Body language. Effective body language can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Open gestures, a relaxed posture, and consistent eye contact convey confidence and approachability. Practice your body language in front of a mirror or with a friend to ensure it aligns with the message you want to send. By honing these social skills, you can enhance your charismatic presence and create more meaningful connections. These skills, combined with the traits and practices we've discussed, will help you become a more charismatic and influential individual. Remember, charisma is not just about what you say, but how you make others feel. In conclusion, charisma is a powerful trait that can elevate your influence and leadership capabilities. By embodying qualities like confidence, passion, and authenticity, you can become more charismatic. However, it's crucial to use charisma wisely and ethically, as it can both uplift and mislead. Remember, anyone can develop charisma with the right approach. If you've enjoyed learning about the secrets of charisma, give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more insights. Comment below with your favorite charisma tip or any questions. Let's unlock your full potential together.